Assalamu alaikum dear fellows, how are you? In this course we will learn how to make a YouTube clone. We process all course learning from start out with all the features of step by step using CSS, HTML5, JavaScript, Bootstrap and PHP. Some of the demo features. Let's start. First, video uploads. Second, search videos. Third, account creation. Fourth, like and dislike option. Next, subscribe channel. Comment and comment reply. More views videos. Account detail. Thumbnail profile. Edit uploaded videos. Navigation menus. And let's get started. See you in course. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Let's take a demo of our project. It's our search bar option, then channel. After that, navigation menu, YouTube PK, YouTube icon, navigation menu, and much more. These are the sum of features I included in our project. Let's start in next videos. It's demo video and we